In today's video, I am going to teach you how to Freshsales. In this walkthrough, you will create a new deal from start to finish, so you can track sales activity and keep your pipeline organized. As you follow along, take a moment to notice the sidebar and the main navigation areas, because that is where you will be moving between screens. First, click the Deals icon in the sidebar. This takes you to the area where all your deal records live. If you see multiple modules in the sidebar, the Deals option is typically the one dedicated to opportunities and revenue tracking. Once you select it, you should land on the Deals page, where you can view existing deals and create new ones. Next, click plus Create Deal in the top right corner. Placing it in the top right helps you move quickly, without disrupting how you browse the list. After you click Create Deal, the system will open a form where you enter the basic information for your new deal. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until you can see the fields for deal details. Now you will enter the deal name and amount. Start by choosing a clear name that makes sense to you later, such as the deal topic or the type of opportunity. Then enter the amount, which is the monetary value you expect for this potential sale. This information is important because it shows up in reporting and in your pipeline overview, so it should be accurate and easy to recognize. After that, select the associated contact or account. This step is essential because it links the deal to the right person or company. In the form, you will typically see options or a selector field that lets you search and choose the correct record. Make sure you are selecting the exact contact or account that matches your sales effort so your team can easily find context without double-checking. Once the deal is linked, choose the correct pipeline and stage. Freshsales organizes opportunities in pipelines, and each pipeline has stages that represent the progress of the deal. Selecting the correct pipeline ensures the deal follows the right workflow. Choosing the right stage places the deal at the correct point in that workflow, which helps with forecasting and task planning. With the pipeline and stage set the expected closing date. This date tells the system when you anticipate the deal will close. It is useful for forecasting and for understanding your near-term revenue. Take a moment to think about your timeline based on what is already underway, then select the date accordingly. Next, add any other relevant details in the custom fields. Custom fields are where you can store extra information that matters for your process. For example, you might include notes, deal specifics, or qualification details that your team needs. Only enter details that are relevant to this particular deal and keep them consistent with how you want your team to read and use this information later. After filling in all necessary fields, click Save. This action creates the deal record and stores everything you entered. Once you save, the page may refresh or return you to the deals list. If it does return you to the list, you should be able to find your newly created deal using the name or amount you entered. Finally, take a brief moment to confirm everything looks correct. Verify that the deal name and amount are displayed as expected, and double-check that the contact or account link, pipeline, stage, and expected closing date are all correct. This quick check can prevent small errors that may affect reporting later on. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.